When I first started the business, it was a small room with a milk crate that I sat on, a gas burner and a spoon with a pot, and that's how I created the first ever Wicked Sister dessert. But I remember the phone ringing and I'd have to leave everything, race upstairs and answer the phone, and then I'd come back downstairs and I'd burnt the product and I'd have to tip it out, clean the pot and start all over again. I'd hear it constantly from family and friends that it wasn't probably the right path to take, but from working 17 hours a day, 7 days a week to, not having any money, I used to sleep up in the office because I'd get more sleep if I'd have a shower at work than having to go home. The next step was then trying to work out how I was going to produce this in scale. Within the first 6 months, we went from a 40-litre pot to a 200-litre kettle to supply 250 stores. Within 2.5 years, we were national. NAB was there to support us through the growth periods. I remember my first meeting with the bank taking in samples so you could try the product and buy in on the dream. NAB understood the gap in the market, the vision I had for the business and its growth potential. To pioneer the category, to pioneer desserts, to be the #1 brand is definitely where I see us going. I defined progress from taking an old-fashioned peasant rice pudding dessert into something premium and sexy. My name's Paul Polly and I'm the founder and CEO of Wicked Sister Desserts.
NAB, more than money.